na sa ating duyan, wag nang mawawala. Umaga na sa ating duyan, magmamahal o mahiwaga. Ba't ang magkakilala sa unang pagtagpo? Paano dahan-dahan sinuyo ang puso? Kay tagal ko nang nag-iisa, andyan ka lang para mahiwaga. Pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga ang nadarama, sa'yo'y malinaw. Kipas sa ligayang hatid sa damdamin, lahat na unawaan sa lalim ng tingin. Mahiwaga, mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga ang nadarama, sa'yo'y malinaw. Sa minsang pagpali ng hangin, hinila patungo sa akin. Tanging ika'y ibigin, wagas at buoy. Nga pa sa yakap ng iyong hiwaga, payapa sa yakap ngayon. Mahiwaga, mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga ang nadarama, sa'yo'y malinaw. Mahiwaga, wag nang mawala, araw-araw. Oh, mahiwaga, pipiliin ka araw-araw. I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought that you would be the one. I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could be right, 'cause everything we cherished is gone. And in the end, can you tell me if it was worth the try, so I can decide? The leaves will soon grow from the bendest of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really loved someone until you learn to forgive. Try as hard as I might to flee the shadows of the night. It haunts me and it makes me feel blue. But how can I try to hide when every breath and every hour I still end up thinking of you? And in the end, everything we have makes it worth the fight. So I will hold on for as long as leaves will soon grow from the barest of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. I never thought that I would see the day that I decide if I should leave or stay. But in the end, what makes it worth the fight's that no matter what happens, we try to make it right. Leaves will soon grow from the bareness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Wounds of the past will eventually heal, and all will be alright in time. 'Cause all of this comes with a love that is real. I said all will be alright in time. 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 All will be alright in time. Oh, you never really loved someone until you learn to forgive. You learn to forgive. Learn to forgive. Di ba nga ito ang iyong gusto? O ito'y lilisan na ako? Mga alaala'y babaon, kalakipang tamis ng kahapon. Mga gabing di namamalayang oras ay lumilipad. Mga sandaling lumalaya kung saan man tayo mapatpat pa. At kilig na nadarama sa tuwing hawak ang iyong kamay. Ito'y maling akala, isang malaking pasensya ka na. Sa mga katang-isip kong wari dala lang ng pagmamahal sa iyo, ako'y gigising na sa panaginip kong ito, at sa wakas ay kusang lalayo sa'yo, lalayo sa kung gaano kabilis nagsimula, ganong katuling nawala. Maaari ba tayong bumalik sa umpisa, upang di na maumasa ang pusong nag-isa-isa? Pasensya ka na sa mga katang-isipin kong ito. Wari dala lang ng pagmamahal sa'yo, ako'y gigising na muna sa panaginip kong ito, at sa wakas ay kusang lalayo sa'yo. Sumabay sa agos na isinulat ng tadhana. Minsan siya'y para sa iyo, pero minsan siya'y pasak, tatagbo papalayo. Kakalimutan ang lahat to, pero kahit saan man lumingon, nasusulyapan ang kahapon. At sa aking bawat paghinga, ikaw ang nasa isip ko, sinta. kaya't pasensya ka na sa makatang isip nito. Huwag dala lang ng pagmamahal sa'yo. Ako'y gigising na mula sa panaginip kong ito, at sa wakas ay kusang lalayo sa'yo. Lalayo sa, di ba nga ito ang iyong gusto, o ito'y lilisan na ako? Took a morning ride to the place where you and I were supposed to meet. The city yawns, they echo on. My thoughts are spinning on and on my head. It seems they lead me back to you. Ooh, I keep coming back to you. Took a morning ride, found a place up in my mind that no one else can see. Maybe it's fate that we lose control. In circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. Took a morning ride, gotta leave this all behind. For with you is where I wanna be. Maybe it's fate that we can't control. Oh, around and around it go. You just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. So many questions I've thrown to the skies, and all of the answers I've found in your eyes. When I'm with you, home is never too far, and my weary heart has come to rest in yours. I found my way home, 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 coming home to you. So I'm coming home to you. You. You're all I need, very air I breathe. You are home, home. Coming home to you. You are home. Kainis na ayaw mong maniwalang mahal kita. Ano pa bang kailangan kong patunayan sa'yo, sinta? Pero naiintindihan ko naman, iniiwasan mo lang masaktan. Di ka madedehado kung sasagutin mo lang ako. Paninindigan kita, mamahalin kitang buong buo. Kahit sa pagtanda, ako'y sa'yo. Paninindigan kita, namang sabihin ng magulong mundo. Kahit ayaw nilang ako'y sa'yo, ika'y ingatan ko. Kakilig ka sa tuwing lumalapit ka na sinta. Nawawala ang angas ko, pilit man na itago pa. Grabe kasi kung paano mo ko itahan. Kapag napupuno na ako sa ingay ng paligid, ikaw ang aking katahimikan. Paninindigan kita, mamahalin kita buong buo. Kahit sa pagtanda, ako'y sa'yo. Paninindigan kita, anong sabihin ng magulong mundo. Kahit ayaw nilang ako'y sa'yo, ika'y ingatan ko. Sasamahan ka kahit na nabutan ng mga problema. Sa hirap pag-inha, paninindigan kita. Kahit alam kong tayo'y magbabago, mamulong pa sa hanggang sulok. Paninindigan kita, paninindigan kita. Huwag kang mag-alala, ako siguradong sigurado. Paninindigan kita, mamahalin kitang buo. Kahit hirap pala kung ako'y sa'yo. Paninindigan kita, gitara mo, yan itindigan mo na. Aalagaan ko kung andito na rin tayo. Panindigan na natin to. Autumn nights, I can find myself in galleries of us just because I miss you. And you don't have to remind me of the pains of circumstance that demand our distance. I'll be right here in case you need to talk. I'm just a call away from you. Why can't we be together, baby? Autumn leaves fall on me. They rustle as I walk alone. I wish I was with you. I'd take a chance, hold your hand. You'd say no, 'cause you've always been just a bit low-key. Oh, pardon me for daydreaming. It's all that I have left for now. Why can't we be together, baby? Why does it take so long? just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Autumn nights, why does it take so long? Autumn nights, should we keep holding on? Why can't we be together, baby? Why does it take so long? Why can't we be together, baby? Should we keep holding on? Even when hope seems gone, guess we'll keep hoping on. Pag-asa na saan ka? Ba't sumama sa paglisan niya? Kung babawiin ng mga nasabi, babalik ba sa aking tabi? Oh, saan ba magsisimula? Kung ako'y umaasa pa, naniniwala sa iyong pangako na hindi susuko. Ba't di man lang nagpaalam? O di lang ikaw yung nasaktan? Hindi pa ba sapat nung binigay ko ang lahat? Paalam, pagbigyan ng aking tugon, huwag iwan sa imahinasyon. Kahit na huling sulyap na lamang, malaman lang na di na kulang. Ba't di man lang napaalam? O di lang ikaw yung nasaktan? Di pa ba sapat? Ba't di man lang pinaalahan? Di pa ba sapat nung binigay ko ang lahat saan? Hindi pa ba sapat? Paalam, 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 paalam sa ating nakaraan, paalam sa mga pinagsisihan, paalam sa aking nadarama, paalam kaya ko na nang wala ka, paalam sa naging pagmamahalan, paalam sa mga pangakong naiwanan, paalam wala na akong pagsisisihan, at sa wakas ay kakalimutan. At kahit di nagpaalam, di ba rin akong nasaktan? Ika'y naging sapat kahit tinapon ang lahat. Paalam. Saw you singing your song the other day. It's been a long time since your eyes lit up that way. It built up as I look back how things went wrong. Did I have to sweep in and scar you? 5 years we shared the bittersweetness of our youth. Then we broke up because sometimes it is the best thing to do. Did it ever cross your mind that maybe you hurt me too? But I'm not taking it against you. Since the beginning, I never wanted anything but to see you reach your dreams. I knew that you just wanted me, but I had dreams of my own, and I just couldn't let them go. So I apologize for coming into your life just to break your heart to pieces and then leave you in the night. And I tried my best to stay by your side, but who knew the rolling seasons would reveal that sometimes we are meant to be the one. So goodbye to the ones we once loved. When things got heavy and you expected more from me, I tried to be there to take away your tears, but I didn't notice that I was stripping away. Oh, pieces of myself till there was nothing left to give. I didn't even want to live, but I apologize for coming into your life just to break your heart to pieces and then leave you in the night. And I tried my best to stay by your side, but who knew the rolling seasons would reveal that sometimes we are meant to be the one. So goodbye to the ones we once loved. I realized it wasn't anyone's fault at all. It's just that I wasn't built to build you up when you fall. Maybe we were meant to be a lesson to each other, but I wish you well, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, I apologize for coming into your life just to break your heart to pieces and then leave you in the night. And I tried my best to stay by your side, but who knew the rolling seasons would reveal that sometimes we are meant to be the one. So goodbye, I wasn't meant to be the one. So goodbye to the one I once loved. Kaya namang makayanan kahit pa na nahihirapan, kahit lungkot dumararaan, pag natuyo ng luha, parang nahipan yung kandila, init ay wala. Oh, hindi ba pangako mo nung una-una, tiwala'y ingatan, baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay na lang. Di talaga inasahang magkagulo't magkabulatan, tahanang pinapaguran, saan na napunta? Hindi ba pangako mo nung una, tiwala'y ingatan, baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay susunod na habang buhay. Kahit nabago na ng oras, ang puso may naputas, ikaw pa rin sa susunod na habang buhay. Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin kong mahalin sa susunod na habang buhay. Bakit ba ang hirap-hirap magsabi ng diretsahan? Di pagkakaunawaan, pwede sanang pag-usapan. Tahan, pwede pa bang malaman laman ng iyong isipan? Para walang maling akala, parang kay bilis ng iyong pag-alis. Teka lang muna, saan nagkamali? Pwede pang bumawi. Teka lang muna, masyado pang maaga. Ano ba ang iyong hinahanap? Sa akin ba ang kasagutan? Paano natin malalaman kung laging nagsisisihan? Tahan, pwede ko bang malaman lang ng iyong isipan? Para walang mamaling akala, para malkay bilis ng iyong pag-alilis, ng iyong pag-alis. Teka lang muna, saan nagkamali? Pwede pang bumawi. Teka lang muna, masyado pang maaga para mawala ka. Masyado pa akong naniwala sa iyong pinangako na minahal kita higit pa sa sarili ko. Diyos ko, ba't di kita malibot? Teka lang muna, saan nagkamali? Pwede bang bumawi? Teka lang muna, sabing sandali, ba't nagmadali? Teka lang muna, saan nagkamali? Pwede bang bumawi? Teka lang muna, masyado pang maaga para mawala ka. Masyado pang maaga, masyado pang maaga para mawala